The syntactic function adverbial, not to be mixed up with the category adverb, is the most diverse of the set of functional elements of clause structure. Adverbials can be realized by several syntactic categories. Take these 4 sentences as examples. The adverbial can be realized by means of simple adverbs like carefully, steadily, now, or really, or in terms of adverb phrases like very carefully and almost steadily in example A and B, as prepositional phrase like at Oxford in sentence C, or as noun phrases like all day and last week in sentence B and D. And then of course there are adverbial clauses. You see them here in the modified versions of sentence C and D. But how can we identify adverbials? Well, they are mostly optional except some obligatory adverbials, for example the obligatory place adverbial of put, as in he put the book on the table. Furthermore, adverbials are generally mobile, with some constraints depending on the type and the form of the adverbial, and adverbials can generally be stacked. Here is an example. Adverbials, in this case prepositional phrases, typically express place, in the garden, time, as in at 7 to 4, reason, as in because of the weather, or concession, as in despite my headache, to name a few. Depending on their specific function within clause structure, we can define 4 main categories of adverbials. These differ in their syntactic status within the sentence. Adjuncts and subjuncts refer to the circumstances of the situation. Disjuncts comment on the form or content of the clause, and conjuncts provide a link between clauses.